So guys, you know me, if I'm not buying a new car, I'm upgrading my current one in some way. I just can't leave it standard. Last time I let AI pick the colour of my wrap with this gloss fuchsia, and it actually looks great, but it's definitely time for it to go. Because I just got the phone call I've been waiting on, and it was Simon telling me that the first urban body kit for the Lamborghini Urus is ready, and my car is going to be the very first one in the world to have it fitted to. Rolling. So I'm here with Lenny.
Hi, Yanni from Yiannimize.
Hi. So we've stripped the car, and Lenny's going to say his usual thing, because obviously his car.
Pointless. You're like, should we get Lenny on camera? Because you know what I'm going to say. It's pointless, bruv. It looks so good in black. So if you're not going to leave it in black, do it in satin black or matte black.
Wait, one second. Just quickly come here a second. Just quickly come here. Zoom in over there.
When I look at you,
that's Lenny's pride and joy.
I see sunshine.
Okay, so I chose the best wheel.
100%. They look massive.
It's the new urban wheel, and it's very Countach styly. So those wheels are coming off. I actually might sell those wheels. Those wheels, yeah, are £14,700 plus VAT with no tyre, the Performante wheels. So if you want my Urus wheels, hit me up. Just make me an offer.
But yeah, I don't know what colour you've had every single colour, ain't you? But it just looks good black.
What goes with yellow?
Black.
Okay, what else goes with yellow? Darker black.
So if you go blue and yellow is just Sonic the Hedgehog. Red and yellow is very flowery.
No, red and yellow don't work.
Purple and yellow.
I'll leave you there 1 second. Excuse me 1 minute.
Black it out. Black it right out. Sometimes we have to say these things and do these things for Yanni's own good. Do you know what I mean? You know, we know that Yanni does wraps. Doesn't mean he has to have a wrap on his car, but if he does, it needs to be black. Satin black. Satin black.
Now, in order to make the body kit, first we have to scan every inch of an Urus using some very futuristic looking equipment that looks like it was inspired by a particular film. And the best part about our carbon kits is that everything is done in-house, from the scanning, designing, prototypes, cutting, moulding and manufacturing. It's all done under the same roof, so my kit was ready in no time at all. So at first glance, it's going to look like the guy didn't actually finish stripping the vinyl off my car. But the truth is, I wanted to leave it on there so I could show you where the design originated from. So if you have a look here, in the middle, that is carbon PPF. And on the outside is the actual vinyl, and together it looks insane. But check out this one we made earlier. So what I've done is I've pulled out a Lamborghini S. So you have the S and the Performante. The S can actually have more bits. So my Perf can't have the top spoiler, just based on the way that spoiler is. My one also can't have the big rear diffuser, which is a shame because that looks incredible. And look at the exhaust tips. Oh, it looks so, so good. So on the S, you can have the big rear diffuser with the exhaust, the top spoiler, and you have then the middle section here, which I can put on my car. Obviously, you've got the arches. Even though they are fully carbon, we do the lip bit exposed, and obviously this can be body color or the wrap color. With mine, I've gone full carbon. I think it makes it look a lot wider. So where mine will go on, I'll wrap up to here, but I'll leave the full arch exposed. Some people prefer the little bit, some people like it like this. The more carbon, the better. So we've got about 4 or 5 different types of wheels that we can do on the Lamborghini Urus. You've got the XRS wheel, you've got the Countach wheel. This one's already got the arches, already got the side skirts on, already got the bonnet. It's waiting for the front splitter. Because of the Urus S and the Urus Perf, there's so many little changes. When we've made the kits, it's not easy to do them both for the same car. But the Perf is great, but the S has more bits. So if you've got a Lamborghini Urus, you need to contact us. We've got one there as well, look, ready to go. So we've got another brand new one there, waiting to have the full kit. As you can see, it's on real stock wheels. And that's gonna have a full kit, and that's an S. But yeah, that is an S, and mine's a Perf. Need the bonnet. When we done the last kit, the bonnet was missing. The arches looked great, the splitter, the rear diffuser, the wheels looked incredible, but the bonnet was one thing we missed. We made sure on the Perf and on the S, we put the bonnet. Yeah, and in black, obviously it hides everything, but when it's got a color on it, it's gonna look great. So as you can see with the original bonnet, you've got the 2 vents here, but it's just very flat. And obviously you have your 2 recesses here. With this one, you still have your 2 OEM original vents, but You've got the big like nose cone, 2 big carbon sections there as well, and the brake up just makes it a lot more meatier and high and beefy. And once the arches go on, it will fill it out. With the front splitter coming out, it all look complete. Let's do a ground reveal. This is the first time I'm going to sit. I didn't even sit with the wheels on. This is the first time I'm going to sit now. Lenny's kind enough to take the cover off, and then I'll decide with regards to a wrap. So let's have a look at it.
My favourite part of the job. All right, ready?
Feels like I'm getting a new car. Wow, the bonnet.
Straight away. It's the bonnet that's drawn your attention the most, though, hasn't it?
Look at the wheels. They look huge. The front splitter looks incredible, and obviously everything is carbon. The bonnet is fully carbon, except obviously it's got the gloss black bits. You and me always think differently. I like a fully exposed carbon wing because I think it shows the kit more, it makes it look a lot wider, the stance looks better.
Yeah.
People obviously either wrap or paint body colour to the edge and they just leave the little carbon lip.
Yeah.
Are you a carbon lip man or are you a fully exposed?
I do, look, more carbon the better. But
that's what I say.
Yeah, but sometimes when you do this body colour, especially with lighter cars, it does make it look wider because you've got the colour bringing the width out. But although I love the gloss black paintwork, and I do love it, it looks great, I get the fact that the lighter colour, because then it will draw all this out more, it brings more attention. This exposed, these exposed. But yeah, I mean, what a transformation.
So good.
So many small little touches have made such a big impact.
You know me, I love Urus so much. I just think when it comes out of the factory, it just needs a little bit more of
Absolutely, yeah.
Of a wide, and obviously we're going to do a wider kit as well. So this is our first kit for the Perf, but we're going to make a wider kit as well, which I think will make it even more crazy, but I love it. And it does look great in gloss black.
It does, it does. But like I say, two minds, looks great as it is, but I understand if you do a lighter colour, it will bring out the carbon a lot more.
So yeah, I had to wrap it. I wasn't sure what colour to do. Because I had yellow calipers, the yellow is a bright colour, and with the carbon being all black, it really shows the kit. The arches are full carbon, the yellow and black work together, and as the song says, black and yellow, black and yellow. So when your colours are yellow and black, you can't forget to shout out Asheville. Guys, tonight he has his own TV show out at 8 PM on Nat Geo, Building Impossible with Daniel Asheville. Guys, check it out. It's a great, great series. I hope you enjoy it.